Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Still have this unsightly, gnarly zit, and I'm in the same outfit because I'm filming 2 videos. I added these earrings so maybe you guys wouldn't realize, but obviously you will because I just told you. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the Urban Decay Vault IV because I don't remember my Roman numerals. I think it's 4 or 5. I think it's 4. Yeah, it's a 4. So that's what I have here today to show you guys. So if you guys want to see that, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it, and share with your friends. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm in love right now, guys. This is the Urban Decay Vault 4. Gorgeous. Like, I can't. So this is the vault in all its glory. The Naked Vault 4. And unfortunately, my package got wet in the mail because it rained, and I guess if they didn't put it somewhere where it wouldn't get wet. Not sure. Thanks USPS. But whatever, the packaging is to die for. It says Urban Decay right there. So since my packaging got wet, it kind of started to not look so great. And it had a slight smell. I don't know, it kind of smelled like plasticky. So yeah, after this video though, I'm gonna throw this away. So this is what I have to show you guys. It says Urban Decay Vault, Naked Vault, Volume 4. As you can see, it's huge. And this is wasting away, very unsightly. But I do have, I believe I took pictures or a video of how it looked when I just got it before it started to look so gross. So I'll definitely insert that in this video at some point. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I gifted 2 of the lipsticks to my mom, so I don't have that to swatch for you guys, but I did take a video of how the colors looked. Okay, so this came with 9 lipsticks, Urban Decay 1, 2, and 3, and 3 of their 24/7 Glide On lip pencils. So I don't remember the name of the other 2 lipsticks that I got, but they will be inserted somewhere in the video once I start the lips.
Plastilware and its family of fine products, and I'll never do anything to embarrass you or the company ever again. Since Tracy's secretary...
Mash that turns the hell I went through into a bunch of doctors playing fucking Krampus in Hollywood Hills!
Dad, not marriage again!
Sorry. I'm sorry. Alright. We got 30 minutes. Look at all this dead weight suckling from Uncle Sam's tin.
I don't know how we're gonna eat this week.
The circus, remember? We're Union Brothers.
Oh yeah, hey.
So, Frank, did you hear the baby told me you got fired at Christmas?
Yep.
They shut us down for animal cruelty. We've been fitting outfits with shovels for years, but suddenly you get a Democrat in office. Anyway, great to see you, pal.
Yeah, listen,
Fellas, this is Frank.
Okay, so what I've noticed with the formula of these lipsticks is the comfort mattes are super creamy, and I'm gonna keep on 1993. And 1993 also coincides with the 1993 lip liner that I received, and I'm gonna swatch the lip liners in a bit. Comfort mattes, super creamy, gorgeous. The metallized one called Conspiracy, gorgeous, another one of my faves. Naked, it is a pinky color, and I do like that because I have a Milani shade pretty close to this, and I do wear it. I just have to wear it slightly, I can't wear it as opaque as I'd want to because I'm a brown girl. I'll look ashy, okay? Next, Vanished, which is a sheer one. It's a no for me. Probably have to use that like in the middle of a matte lipstick or something to kind of gloss it up without like, you know, oiling it up and destroying the color. I'll probably try that. Next, 714, the Mega Matte is really nice red. The reds are gorgeous. Mrs. Mia Wallace is my favorite red. This is the bluish red. It does look so good. I don't know what. And Blackmail, I applied it really patchy. Sorry guys, I was kind of afraid I would mess up the rest of my makeup, but it doesn't usually apply like that. If I was able to look in a mirror and put it on, it would come off very opaque and gorgeous. As a matter of fact, just to justify that, I will swatch it for you guys just so you can see how it truly performs. There it is, as you can see. Yeah, so very pigmented, and all of these come with less product than a MAC lipstick does, and I'm gonna put the pricing and the ounces here while I have swatched them, just so you guys can see, you know, how far your money will stretch. So I'm gonna go and move on to the lip liners. So 1993, the lip liners are so nice and creamy. Like, look at that. I'm barely even, and it just, the pigment just comes right off. So you know, these finna last you a lifetime. Then I got a lip liner in Blackmail. That's what it looks like. And this is how it swatches. So sorry for the lighting, guys. I have to work with the natural light. Gorgeous. Next we have 714 in the lip pencil. That's what that looks like. The good thing with these selections is basically it's almost suitable for every skin tone. So if you're super light, you'll find something in the lipsticks that you will enjoy. Majority of them. Medium color, yeah. Dark, yeah. But if you're super dark, you might be slightly disappointed with the lipstick selection, but you can make it work with a brown lip pencil like this one that they provide. And the red one goes great with Mrs. Wallace and the 714 that it came for. And Blackmail is great for an ombre lip. all of that jazz. So if you wanted to ombre your lips with the lighter lipsticks, go right ahead. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch the lipsticks beside the coinciding lip liners so you guys can see that they are dead on. Dead on. And 1993, you can't really see it on my skin just because it's a nude for me. Here we go. That's the lipstick. 7/14, 1993, and black male. Okay, so next we're gonna get into the palettes. And so here I have Naked One. It kind of looks bad now because it got wet. My MAC charger water spilled in my makeup storage and wet it up, and I will start to wipe it off, and the gold started to come off of the velvet, which kind of pissed me off. Urban Decay, you need to find a better way to stick the gold onto the velvet, because the entire back came off too, because this part got the most wet. I was pretty upset with that. I have the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and the gold in it it's not coming off. You can wipe it no matter how many times you want, it's not coming off. So Urban Decay, pretty disappointing with the packaging. I appreciate though that it is dark brown, because it's not as easy to get dirty as the Anastasia one. And something I saw that was really cute in these were the brushes. The Naked brushes, it says which Naked palette it is. So let's say for Naked One and what have you. So this is what the palette looks like. Very, very nice. Hope you guys can see it. I just haven't really gotten the chance to play with them yet because I'm so obsessed with my Tarte palette that I just reviewed for you guys. Next I have the Naked 2, which seemed less appealing to me, but the more I look on it is the more I like it, and I'm gonna play with it soon. So this is the Naked 2, and what I like about the tin is it snaps shut, and also you can flip it over like that. Isn't that cool? So the brush says Naked 2 on it. That's what it looks like. These are all the shades. It has a black, which I love, and the blackout though in this is super different from the blackout that I have in my Gwen Stefani palette, which I thought, because the blackout in the Gwen Stefani palette is super buttery, but this one was slightly harder, which I thought was very different. Now the Naked 3 I have used, and it's gorgeous. This is my favorite out of all of them. It looks so cute. This is the one that I most gravitate to. The packaging, gorgeous. The brush is so cute. Rose gold and gold. It says Naked 3 on the brush, and the colors are absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. They're so pretty. I love them. They're so cute. And it's like they're almost too cute to even use, but I've tried the Naked 2, just the shiny colors, so I haven't tried the mattes on my eyes, and you guys will have a review on these. I'm really just showing you guys what I got. I can't really speak on the shadows, but I know Urban Decay eyeshadows are fairly amazing, because I loved my Gwen Stefani palette. Here it is. It has been used and abused. I've hit pan. Gorgeous, minus these shades right here. These suck. Well, the blue one is okay, but these two they're trash. This one is pigmented, but it's so ugly. I don't know. But yeah, everything else in here is gorgeous, and I love the mirror. So a few specs on the Vault. I think it's a great value because each of these lipsticks retail for, I'd want to say 20 or 20 something dollars. Obviously I'll link the price. I'll try and find the Vault and link it below if they still have it. I'm pretty sure it's sold out now though, but you guys will still be able to get these individual products if you want. They had a foursome as well, which I'll link if I find, and a threesome, which just the Naked 1, 2, and 3 with all the lipsticks, lip liners, and then the foursome had Naked 1, 2, 3 and the Naked Heat. I wanted to get the Naked Heat, but I decided against it because I ordered the Tarte Toasted palette, which looks phenomenal, and I'm in love with these Tarte shadows right now. See, I'm still talking about them in an Urban Decay video. Like, really, Donnies, get it together. But yeah, just the packaging on this pisses me off, and also the color selection in here. I know a lot of people say that they love the Naked One, blah blah blah. It's kind of lackluster to me. The shades in here, I don't know, I'm not crazy for them, especially these last two. I think these last two colors kind of throw me off. If it was just these, I'd be super happy with, but these last two colors kind of throw me off a bit. I wouldn't really use them. But what else? Yeah, so the Vault retailed for $200, $206 with tax. Got it from the Urban Decay website itself. It was they were selling it on Sephora and Ulta, but those sold out like hot bread. I have not seen any in-depth reviews on them any in-depth good reviews. Like, no offense if you've made one, but like the quality of the video just wasn't so great, so I figured I would put it up here so maybe you guys can appreciate it. The packaging is gorgeous. So unfortunately mine got wet, which isn't Urban Decay's fault at all. I would have loved to be able to keep it. Unfortunately I can't. I'm gonna have to toss it away. I love how many lipsticks you get. Like, yeah, and the lipsticks are really good, and I think I'm definitely gonna purchase some more in the future. Definitely not for now. Maybe on Black Friday or something, because I ain't paying $20 for a lipstick unless it is YSL. I will fork out $50. I'm kidding. Lip liners are great. I'm not really a fan of lip liners. I don't really use them because I am more of a gloss type of girl. So yeah, but they will be put to use and I will use them, and like I said, they will definitely last forever because they're so pigmented. And the palettes, I'll get to playing with them, and I'll probably do a few tutorials on each one individually for like maybe date night, party looks, clubbing, etc. because I have been trying to up my makeup game, as you can see with this halo eye. So yeah guys, that's my thoughts. I think it was well worth the money. It was like over $314 value. I calculated it up myself because each of these palettes is $54, plus the lip liners are $20, plus the lipsticks are $20 odd, and I got 9 of those. So yeah, I think all in all it was a fantastic deal. I'm probably rambling and repeating myself, but yeah, so I love Urban Decay products. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any video suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. Like, subscribe, watch these other videos. You know, please, why would you even stay this long to not subscribe or to watch something else? Come on, really? So bye guys.